Hello and welcome back to Bit Trading. My name is AJ, one of the mentors here, and today we are going to take a look at the price of Bitcoin. We're going to go through what has happened within the price of Bitcoin and what we expect to happen so that we can actually profit off of these price movements. If that sounds interesting, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you are new, and turn the bell notification on so you never ever miss another video, and watch the video until the end because I am going to give you some valuable information on how to profit off of the price movements we see within Bitcoin. Before we jump straight on into the charts, click the link in the description, head over to bittrading.uk, click join BitTrading here, and you can gain access to the free courses we have available for you there. And you can also gain access to the Visionary Discord, okay, where I'm giving my trades away. Okay, one of the trades that I gave away last week has yielded us over 100% in a profit. As of right now, it currently sits at 135% in a profit. Okay, we took TP1 at 100%. Okay, and I'm still waiting for my TP2. Okay, down here at the range low. Okay, but I gave this trade to my team over on the Visionary Discord, okay, telling my team this is the short setup. Okay, I showed them the short setup here because we were seeing bearish open interest and SFP of the range high. Okay, and then I continued on to tell my team that we formed a failed auction. Okay, and now I'm expecting a bigger pullback. So we were in the short and we then formed the failed auction. Okay, so I was expecting a bigger pullback, okay, which was then shortly happened. Okay, and then we took the TP1, as you can see, at the mid-range of this parallel channel. Okay, that's our TP1, and we're still targeting the low of the range for the TP2. Okay, so that's what happened, okay, previously on Bitcoin. Okay, we've profited off of this by entering into a short position because we have established that there were many bearish indications coming in at this level right here. Okay, and if we actually zoom out as well, okay, we can also see that this VWAP is continuously being respected. Okay, so this VWAP that formed up here, okay, we can see has been rejected here, has been rejected here, and was also rejected here when we entered into that short, as you can observe right there. So this VWAP is continuously being respected. So this is going to be something that I'm looking at. Okay, if we break above this VWAP, there's a high possibility, that we could actually see higher prices. But if we continue to get rejected from this VWAP, then I'm looking for lower prices. And initially, I am still looking for lower prices. I am still bearish on the price of Bitcoin because, I'm in a short position, first of all. But second of all, there's a key liquidity level that I'm looking at for Bitcoin to actually sweep, okay? And that liquidity level, okay, if you've been following the channel for, the past week or so, you will know is 25,271, okay? This level down here. This level, I would like to see Bitcoin tap this level, okay, and then bounce from there. That would be a really nice signal to enter into a long position, okay? If we see the bullish confirmation and the bullish confluence at this level, what am I going to do? Well, I'm going to enter into a long position. Okay, so I've been bearish over the past week or so. Okay, and when I say I'm bearish, I don't mean I'm looking for $20,000. Okay, all I'm looking for, and I've been telling you guys here on YouTube that I've been telling my Visionary members as well, I am bearish, but I'm only bearish until we get to 25,271. Okay, and from there, then I can take a step back and reevaluate the situation. Am I still bearish at that point, or am I looking at the price becoming bullish? Okay, because there is a possibility the price comes to this level, okay, and it actually looks bullish, okay, and we get a nice bounce towards the upside, where we would, okay, enter into a long position if we saw the bullish confirmation and bullish confluence at this level. However, okay, when I say I'm going to flip neutral, okay, that means that there is that possibility that we could still remain bearish. Okay, I'm flipping neutral, but then I'm reassessing the situation at that level. Okay, and by reassessing it, I could determine that the price is still looking bearish. Okay, meaning that we're going to break below, retest, and then continue lower, okay, which means that I'm either going to enter into a new short position, or I'm just going to hold out that short position, hold open that short position that I already have. Okay, so this level here is just a reevaluation level, okay, and I'm bearish until that reevaluation level. At that reevaluation level, I will then determine, am I bullish, am I bearish, okay, and then I will act off of that. And of course, the first people to know about it will be the people on the Visionary Discord, so make sure you get yourself on that Visionary Discord if you want to take advantage of the signals that I'm giving away. Now that is the only level we have towards the downside. Okay, that is the determination level. We either bounce off that level or we look for lower prices. However, towards the upside, we do have a number of levels. Okay, and I'm going to go through those now. Okay, so remember, we formed this failed auction here, okay, but after we formed this failed auction, what have we formed? Okay, we've also formed a new internal high. Okay, so we've got this internal high at $26,436 right here. Okay, that's coming in, nice confluence with the VWAP here. Okay, so if we see the price coming up to this level, okay, we see the bearish confirmation, bearish confluence at this level, then we're looking for another short position. Okay, that's what I'm looking for at that level. However, if we don't see the bearish indications and the bearish signs and the bearish confluence at this level, okay, what are we looking for? Well, we're looking for a continuation towards the upside, and we're looking for 27,616. Okay, this internal high here, which again, has been really nicely respected at that VWAP. Okay, so at that level, I'm going to reevaluate. Is the price looking bearish? Okay, is there bearish confirmation? Is there bearish confluence? Okay, if there is, then and only then will I enter into that short. Okay, but again, there's a possibility that the price could actually look bullish at this level. Okay, and we don't see the bearish confirmations. If that occurs, okay, then we're looking for the next level, okay, which is 28,136, okay, which is actually the range high of this much bigger range that we are in, as you can observe right there. Okay, so that is the high of the bigger range, okay, at 28,136. If we see the bearish confirmation, bearish confluence at this level, then and only then will I enter into that short. Okay, again, if I don't see the bearish confirmation and the bearish confluence at that level, what are we looking for? We're looking for higher prices, okay? And the higher prices I would be looking for would actually be approximately $29,014, okay? Because it is the previous value area low of this range that we traded all the way back here. Okay, really profitably traded this range. Okay, we entered into a short here, shorted this all the way down to this new range that we are in. Okay, that was an amazing short position that me and my team took, but we're targeting that value area low at 29,000 if we do get a break above 28,136, and it is a bullish break. Okay, so those are the levels towards the upside. Okay, we've got that level towards the downside at 25,271. That's my only longing opportunity as of right now. Okay, and all these levels are the shorting levels towards the upside. Okay, because I am so confident that 25,271 is going to be tapped, just because there's so much liquidity there. Of course, that could be invalidated. Okay, but I still do strongly believe $25,271 is going to be tapped, and from there, okay, we can reevaluate the situation. Is the price looking bullish or is the price looking bearish? Okay, looking at the DXY, okay, the DXY has had a slight pullback, as of this morning, last night and this morning. Okay, and the ES is continuously having a push towards the upside, of course, coming into some liquidity at these levels up here. So obviously we're going to have to watch those, because Bitcoin is slightly correlated to the ES. Okay, not so much at the moment, but initially it is, so we have to be aware of that. But for Bitcoin, still looking for 25,271. Okay, so that's pretty much all I've got for you today. If you enjoyed, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you are new, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. So thank you very much for watching, guys, and see you later. Goodbye.